with another simple science experiment. It's the egg and vinegar science experiment. Oh! I love science experiments. They're just so amazing. But before we get into the details of how to do this, make sure to subscribe and like.
Welcome to Ahan's Choice Review.
Today we'll see what happens when we put an egg in vinegar for a total of 24 hours. We're going to be doing with both boiled eggs and raw eggs. So these are the boiled eggs and these are the raw eggs. And these have been boiled and yeah, these are raw. Now it's time to pour in the vinegar. Watch what happens in the vinegar. It's really cool. Watch carefully. This is so cool, right? See the bubbles? Did you notice that the reaction started right when I poured in the vinegar? Now this is the reaction between the shell and the vinegar, leaving out the carbon dioxide bubbles. Arjun, do you want to do yours?
Yes.
Now pour vinegar into the cup.
Pour.
Carefully, Arjun.
More. Okay, smart. Arjun, pour it in the other cup. Okay. Arjun, pour. Done. Yay!
See, the bubbles are starting to form already. See that? They start off at super tiny, but then they get bigger and bigger. Like this one right here. They're super big now. See, they start off tiny and they get super big. Huge bubbles in this one. They start off tiny and then they get huge like one in this one. And it kind of looks grainy on these two after the bubbles. The top of it looks grainy, like it's like seriously grainy. What happens now is the hard outer shell gets dissolved and that leaves the inner hard membrane left to make a bouncy ball. Yeah. We're gonna leave this for 24 hours here and let's see what happens tomorrow.
Okay.
It's been a couple of hours and see the membrane is starting to rupture here. See, it's like the top shell, it's kind of like pulling off. There's like a hanging little like thing. So this has been 24 hours and these are what the eggs look like now. We are gonna take our eggs out of the vinegar and see what it feels like. Feels rubbery so far. It's like now this one is a raw egg, not a boiled egg. Now let's take out a boiled egg and see if it feels any different. It looks smaller though. Yes, it does actually feel a bit different. So the boiled egg is not as squishy as the raw egg. Let's scratch off the skin off slightly. So we can have a white, clear egg. The raw egg feels so bouncy and squishy like rubber. Feel that? And then the boiled egg, it's so hard. See the raw egg? It's a bit really like bouncy like rubber and squishy. But the boiled egg, it's really hard. It's really hard. I never expected it to be this hard. Bounce test for the boiled egg. Now it's time to see if the raw egg can bounce higher. Yes, it can. It bounces 100 times higher than the boiled egg. Now let's take out the other two eggs.
Look!
This is really gigantic. It became bigger than the other ones. Arjun, you're bouncing it. Let's see your bounce. Bounce it. It's really bouncy. I never knew these eggs would become so bouncy.
Okay.
I just wish the boiled eggs would become bouncy too. This is a fresh egg and this is one that we kept in vinegar. Compare the sizes. The fresh egg is way smaller. So the
Big. Small.
fun fact, egg absorbed some of the vinegar. That's why it's bigger than its normal size. That's our eggs. They're really squishy. I like how they're so squishy. See how squishy they are? Aren't they really squishy, Arjun?
Yeah.
Right? It was so bigger than a normal raw egg. I like these eggs better. So bouncy. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Let's see if it can withstand this high of a bounce. Ooh, it did. That was so cool. I never knew it could. I thought it would be like exploding. Same with Arjun's. It's the same thing. Let's see have a bounce race from this height. Arjun, hold your egg where my hand is. Good. And then let's see who can bounce the highest. When I on 3. 3, 2, 1, drop. I think it was a tie. It didn't go. They both went the same height. Let's see if it can withstand this height. Arjun, let go. Oh, it popped. Now it looks like a normal egg. See, this was the hard membrane of the egg that kept everything inside stable. Let's see if the egg can withstand this height. Make sure to subscribe and like. And also turn on our notifications bell so you don't miss any new video. Ding, ding. Subscribe. Bye.